Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, December 6th. Meet the Money Honey here, bringing you the market overview and my own monkey commentary. We're looking at Bitcoin this morning. I know yesterday was epic. We hit a high of 104. And then we had a huge sell-off. If you look at this candle on the daily chart, that is one hell of a range. We started out at 92 and went all the way to 104. That's pretty epic. I had a couple of people message me and say, is Bitcoin over or we heading down? We're just getting started. I mean, my thought process on this was, the holidays are coming. This thing did a huge run up. People took profit. I mean, I don't know. Holiday shopping is here. Booking those year-end profits. We're up considering where we went yesterday after the run up and then the sell off. And I completely expect this thing to continue. I mean, if you look at the chart where we've got a second take profit of 102, but this resistance level does not stop until 108. So that's my next target. And I fully expect that thing to go there. I don't know about today because we have some economic news coming out 8:30. We've got payroll report. So that's, after that, I would watch for a shakeout to see what direction we go into. I mean, if you look at the futures, we're down, slightly, we're flat. But even the futures though, let's see, let's look at the 4-hour chart. Um, oh yeah, there we go. So we're gonna have a little bit of pullback in the futures. I mean, which is, normal. um the way price moves, it's just we're up and then we pull back and then we're up that and we're just steadily climbing. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing maybe zorch up a little bit with the payrolls and then sell off for the day. I mean, it is Friday and people are closing positions and booking profits for the week. So that would not be anything that I would think would be unreasonable. um back to to Bitcoin. This is my long-term view. I follow the stock to flow model, plan B stock to flow model. Um, and my thought process is I'm not selling until we hit one of these, these peaks, these yellow peaks. Um, because that's typically, when we get to the top there, that's where we're, you can look back historically and see that's where we started, selling off. But this thing has just started. We are just now in the orange. So our run up has only begun. And if you follow the model here, right, the stock to flow price line, um, the target really is, around August of next year. This thing is right. We could be at $1 million Bitcoin. And that's where I get my base case from is, I'm following this stock to flow model. Of course, I'm watching the charts. But I'm holding until that point. That's what I'm looking towards. So, if we haven't even started this thing yet, the Trump presidency has not even taken effect. We've got a lot of exciting things happening next year. So as far as I'm concerned, we get through this 117 resistance level. I mean, we are off to the races. We're parabolic. So this thing is just starting to bump. So fully expect, we hit this one resistance level, we popped above it. We're gonna continue to move up. This is the weekly chart, by the way. Um, and then retest, and then off we go. So if you're looking at the weekly, that would be my next take profit would be 108, but really our resistance level is showing at 117. So anyway, I am not going to go through all of the watch list today. I didn't look at Nvidia yesterday, so let's go back to the daily chart. Couple of people asked me about Nvidia. On the daily, we're at 144.88. My take profit on Nvidia was 150. So we are slowly booking our way up there. I mean, I wouldn't, we might hit it today depending on what the jobs report comes out looking like. But we've got this 147 resistance level, but my long-term target on Nvidia is still 150. Nothing's changed with that. And that's where I expect we're going to hit a wall with some resistance on that round number. So anyway, all right, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you've had a great trading week and you have an even better weekend. And I'll catch you back here next week, Monday morning. Thanks so much. Take care.